Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is MAKIA FX. So onto our Gbpjpy charts. As you can clearly see, we have been trading in this particular range for a couple of time right now, and I drew this particular area back in the days. If you have watched my previous videos, this area is what I would call a supply zone. This is where there's a resistance around this particular area, and each time price comes to this area, we're likely going to see it fall back down. And if you watch my previous trade, which I gave you guys with take profit 1, take profit 2, and take profit 3, I made sure that I closed all my trades around this particular area. So now we were trying to see if price will be able to break past this zone, but now we are seeing that price is struggling. Is best to see if it can break past this zone. When price fell down and hit this current demand zone, price has not been able to fall back to this particular point. What I would say is that price has been forming higher highs and higher lows when we're going towards to this area. So I would say that even though this zone is strong, because each time price reaches zone is being pushed down, but I would say that when price is not able to fall back to this particular area, it means that the bulls are stronger in a certain extent than the bears. So this area will be an area where I will call that the bears are more stronger in this area. But if we are seeing that price is forming a resistance, or what I will call, if we are seeing price forming a support at higher areas instead of coming back to this area or even breaking this area, it means that the bulls are stronger in the market. So what I would say is that this particular pair is likely to go bullish long term. So we're just going to see if the bulls will be able to break this zone, because if the bulls are able to break past this area, then we are going full-time bullish for this particular pair. But anyways, if you've watched my previous analysis and you took my free trade which I gave in the group, because I have a group on Telegram where I do share free signals for those who are in the group. It's fine for them. You're not forced to join the group, but it's a group for insights. So right now, if I'm trading this GBP USD, my overall lookout will be for the long term, because I have some areas of interest which I'll just show you guys. This particular area is an area of interest because today I was watching this area and I saw that when price came to this area, we saw the bulls come in and push price to the upside. So this is an area of interest. We also saw what happened here, a strong rejection candle at this area. So we are seeing that even though this area is a place where we may want to sell, but this area we are seeing that as time goes on, the bulls are trying to win this particular game. So for those who are trading GBP USD long term, they should be looking at this zone to see if price will be able to break this zone. If price break this zone, please go bullish. But as of now, if you're trading intraday, then you may really want to have some more points of interest, like this area, something like this. Yeah, this area is a point of interest. When price will come to this area, I will go to the lower time frame and see the candlesticks that is forming in the 5 minutes or the 15 minutes time frame. If it's the reversal candlestick forming, then I'll be going in for a short-term sell. I'll sell here and I will close my profit around this particular area, if you know what I'm saying. These are just like pretty much intraday short-term scalping strategies which you can use to flow in the market and make some profits before anything goes wrong. So these are just like some areas. This area also will be another point of interest for those who are trading intraday. Hopefully price will likely break this area before the end of the day, or price may come and hit this area and fall back down. But anyways, we're expecting price to move up like this. As you can clearly see, price is expected to move up, go to this point of interest, then take a small rest to the downside before the bulls may come in full flesh to push prices to this particular zone. Then at this zone, I'll be expecting a little bit of tussle between the bulls and the bears, and those who win the fight will be able to know what next for this particular pair. So that is how I'll be trading this Gbpjpy. For those who are in my group, you know that I'm scalping. When it comes to things like this, I look for areas to scalp and I make my profit and I'm out of the market. I don't have time to wait for it to form a whole thing. I may be giving some long-term entries in my group, but for those who are really my group, you know that I'm really out for short-term trades, short-term scalping. If you're interested in joining our group, I'll leave the links in the description. Also, we have a preferred broker which I use. If you want a recommended broker, I'll also leave the links in the description. With that said, thanks for watching. Bye.